missing. And if the government has done this in 1.5 years, then you can see that the government will be working very hard with the TSC at the forefront to ensure that the 48.5% is achieved in the shortest time possible. Now, the government has also provided funds to recruit and convert 46,000 teacher interns in primary, junior, and secondary school teachers to permanent and pensionable terms. And these teachers, of course, now, starting this January, will now transit to PNP and not the interns as they were before. Out of the 46,000 teacher interns, 39,550 teachers were recruited specifically for junior school and have now been turned into P&P. To further bridge this shortage at junior school, the TSC looked at the qualified primary school teachers, because we have qualified primary school teachers who went back to college after their P1 course. They have all the requisite requirements. 8,378 qualified primary school teachers have now been deployed to junior secondary to try and bridge this gap. The government went further and allocated TSC 4.8 billion to engage 20,000 additional intern teachers whom we have now recruited. We have given them letters, we have issued them letters, and will be in schools in January as we open our schools. So you can see that the total number of teachers now recruited and deployed to handle junior secondary is 76,928. And that's quite a substantive number in only 1.5 years. So this is aimed at responding to these needs in the junior secondary. So after recruiting, the other thing that the TSC or the government has done through TSC is retooling of teachers. As I have explained, our teachers are very well trained and they are tooled and skilled. In fact, in the past you saw, even during the COVID epidemic or when we have had a few challenges here and there, our teachers adapt to change because they are very well trained. However, the government felt this is a new reform. And so TSC was given money to retool these teachers in curriculum-based, competence-based curriculum and competency-based assessment. I think we have the CEO, Nick, he can talk about that. And so we have been retooling our teachers on these two since 2019. On a regular basis. And just to give you a summary of this, about retooling our teachers in the new CBC and the CBA, between April 2019 to September 2021, we had trained a total of 292 teachers, just to ensure that we have this seamless transition as we adopted the CBC.